So take a new page, and you can just go to format your report page, go to canvas setting, change the type of this page from 16:9 to tooltip. So once you have done with this tooltip page, now you add the visuals on this. So you can add a visuals like order quantity. I'll put that in a card. Yeah, let me do it in this way, and let me take one more order quantity with the product size or the product category. So let me take a product category and resize this again. Yeah, we can play around this on later on. Then come to your page one, click on this visual, go to format your visuals, and here you just type for tooltip, and inside the tooltip here you have an option called page. So our page on the tooltip is page 2, or you can rename this to tooltip, rename this as a tooltip, and you come to your page 1, click on this, go to format, search for the tooltip. Here you have in general tooltip, and then you select the page you want to use, click on that page name, that is tooltip. Now if I move my cursor, that entire page can be seen here. So this is how the tooltip works.